What up guys, this is Nathan here, the founder of the Bike Network TV. Today we'll be DIYing for a bike repair stand. So this is gonna be a whole lot of something new, so let's get started. So what you'll need is two wood pieces cut 60 centimeters each, two pieces cut 25 centimeters each, and then 1 meters long, and a small piece like this 10 centimeters, and this is just a randomly cut block. You'll need nails, one long nail and a hammer. So what you'll do is you'll lay it out like this. It must be even. You just get that together. End frame will look like this. And you need to be accurate on this one. Must be fitted perfectly. Okay, so it's day 2. Sorry for the inconvenience of my outfit looking different. It started raining yesterday and I didn't get the right stuff. I cut the 2 extra blocks. It's 5 centimeters each, and then this one that was 10 centimeters, I made it 15 centimeters. Let's get started. So I was busy here. Let me finish. Okay, if you're done here, I have to put the 1 meter plank inside. Give it a little touch from the top. Fasten it in. That's done. These 2 small blocks, put them on the sides to keep it stable. Remember to put it as tight as you can so it doesn't move around while you're working and repairing your bike. If you feel it's needed, in between these gaps you can put some wood glue to make it stronger. After that, you'll take the 15 centimeter piece and put it on top. Let me just put the nail in. This is where the bike will be laying on. I'm just gonna put an extra one because I don't trust only 2 nails on the top. And this is your final product. Thanks for watching, guys. This is your bike stand. It's finished up, it's strong. If you know you can build stuff that will last, please do it. Do not build this without parent supervision. And thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe down in the link below. And have a nice day. Thanks for watching.